How to search for messages in RoundCube. This tutorial assumes that you've already logged in to RoundCube webmail. Now let's learn how to search for specific email messages. Enter a term in the search box you wish to search for, then press Enter. RoundCube searched all messages in the inbox for the word param and found one match. You can just as easily search for messages in other folders. RoundCube found one match in the Sent folder. To clear the search box, click the X icon. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to search for messages in RoundCube.